Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, it's Louis Vuitton Day and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you everything about Louis Vuitton and their new collection. I'm going to share to you everything that you need to know from names, product codes, prices, and launch date. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phone and laptop to take a screenshot, and for pre-orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CA. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode and happy shopping. Hi guys, Ron here, Suki Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramirify2, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so let us discuss the new collection of LV. So first we have the Mirage Collection that will be launching January 2026. Guys, so first we have the vanity chain pouch. So just kind of take note of the screenshot so that you can check with your CAs for the prices. So this one, they're calling the material as varnish cowhide leather with cowhide leather trim, but I feel this one could also be the patent leather. And the colorway of this collection would be in date wood. Just like with this Clooney size mini, we have the SKU here of the M27173. I love actually this design of Clooney because it's a top handle bag. So this is the interior as you can see. So it comes of course with detachable leather strap, and the material is the varnish cowhide leather or the patent leather in the date wood colorway. So this collection also comes in the gold hardware as you can see. How gorgeous and beautiful this Alma BB is. So what I love about this Alma BB, as you can see, it comes with the detachable charms. So I'm guessing that charms you could use in so many ways, maybe even as an accessory, as a bracelet, or as a necklace perhaps. So it comes of course with detachable leather strap as we can see here. Next on the collection, so we have another colorway of the Mirage. So first, we have the Speedy size 20. We have the SKU here. So the colorway of this one is Desert Sand. It comes, of course, with the detachable charms as what we have seen earlier. Then, of course, it comes with detachable leather strap. So this is the interior. So which one or which color would you prefer, guys? Would it be this Desert Sand colorway or the date wood earlier? So next guys, so we have the vanity chain pouch. So as you can see, it comes of course with the charm. So this one, the charms is like a chain with the Louis Vuitton flower at the end. So this is the interior. So just kind of take note again that the vanity chain pouch, this is a slimmer version of the vanity bag by LV. Next on the collection, so we have the Capucines Mini. So for this one, we do not have the price as well, but we do have the SKU here. So the material of this one is the Tyrolean leather, and I see that there is the Louis Vuitton flower quilted design. Of course, it comes with cowhide leather trim. The colorway of this one is sapphire blue, and it comes of course with the detachable strap, and it comes with gold hardware. Next on the collection, so we have the Capucines BB. So the colorway of this one is Desert Sand. So still from the Mirage Collection, and the material of this one is the classic Tyrolean leather that they're using for Capucines. So this one, as you can see, the charms, if I'm not really sure if that is detachable or not, but we could see it on the 1/3 of the handle, which I feel, in my opinion, might be a little bit uncomfortable when you are going to top handle this bag. Next, we have another very beautiful Capucines BB. This one I prefer much better. Just look at the colorway. So guys, also the material of this one is sprayed lambskin leather. So I think this is the first time that I've encountered Capucines that they're using a lambskin leather, but then again guys, please correct me if I am mistaken in this one. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code RAMIRO5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection for the Mirage, we have the Capucine Swallow-on chain. So we have the SKU M27287. So the material of the Capucine Swallow-on chain is the Tyrolean leather with cowhide leather trim. So this is the interior. Colorway of the first one is in quartz. It comes with detachable leather strap and it comes with chain strap as well. Next, we have another Capucine Swallow-on chain, and the colorway of this one is sweet pink. How beautiful is the colorway of this one? So actually, I'm really drawn to the Capucine Swallow-on chain because it kind of has the east-west configuration as we could see here. So you can detach the strap fully. So it would be very chic when carrying on evening events and parties, just carrying this one as a clutch or even top handling this wallet-on chain. Then this one, how gorgeous this colorway. So we have the color copper for the Capucine Swallow-on chain, and of course it comes with detachable chain that is very decorative and very gorgeous. Then of course it comes with the material of sprayed lambskin leather with cowhide leather trim. So you could carry this one as a top handle, crossbody, shoulder strap, and you could even carry this one as a clutch. Then from the Confetti collection, we have the Kuzan PM. So we have the SKU here, so kindly take a screenshot. So this is a classic Kuzan PM design. And of course, it comes with canvas strap, which is a little bit thicker. Then of course, it comes with the decorative chain strap that it comes with. The colorway of this one is dark gray. So this would also be launching January 2026. Next guys, we have the side trunk East-West. So we have the SKU here. So still from the Confetti collection, material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It comes with detachable leather strap and it comes with gold chain strap as well. So I love the east-west configuration. So they have done the east-west configuration of the side trunk on most of their leather pieces. So I think this is the first time that they're doing it in the classic monogram canvas. Then we have the Neverfull inside out size MM. Price is 2,500 euro or 3,100 USD. So as you know, the colorway of this one is in sand. So one part is the leather we could see here, then the other side would be the classic monogram canvas. Then of course it comes with detachable leather pochette that you could wear anywhere you like. Then we have the Meline Nano. So unfortunately, we do not have the price, but please take a screenshot of the SKU. So the colorway of this one is in confetti pink. So the material is in on-front leather with cowhide leather trims, detachable chain strap. Then of course, this is the interior. So guys, please take note that this is a nano size. So definitely, this is a smaller or can be considered as a micro bag. So the Meline Nano comes also in the sky blue colorway. So the material is in on-front leather with cowhide leather trims. I love the top handle design. Then of course it comes with detachable chain strap and it comes with detachable leather strap as well. So then there I'm seeing that there is a card slots or card insert. So I'm guessing that this bag is really teeny tiny. Then we have another Capucine's compact wallet. So we have the SKU here. On front leather with cowhide leather trims. The colorway of this one is sweet pink, and of course it comes in gold hardware. So this is the interior. It has a zippered pocket on the inside, and of course it has maybe 3 or 4 card slots, or no, so we have 6 card slots or maybe 8 card slots. Apologies for that one. And then we have Capucine's card holder. So this one, we have the SKU here. Materials on front leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is sweet pink. Then of course it comes in gold hardware. So if you want a little bit fancy card holder, then this one you could check out the Capucine's one, because I feel this one would be a much more expensive compared to the regular compact or card holder wallet. Then we have the all-around PM. So we have the SKU here of M28303. So this is from the Mahina collection that I have created a vlog couple of weeks back. So the material is calfskin leather, which is perforated as we can see here. It comes of course with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is black. It comes with detachable strap with of course silver hardware. Then guys, OMG, this is one of the most unique and most beautiful bag that I've seen LV does for a while, which is the Rocket bag. So as you can see, This is the interior. The price of this one is 8,200 USD. Made of monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims with detachable strap. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted fam. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each every one of you soon. Bye!